Okay guys, look, this is a new thing that we're doing. So Speed Vegas and WelderUp decided to team up and do some rides. Okay, so we're gonna take the 57 Chevy down because look, everybody wants to go for a ride in this 57 Chevy. They either want to drive it or they want to go for a ride in it. It's a LS car, turboed. It's got a 4L80 transmission in it. It's got air conditioning. I mean, it's a pretty nice car. So what I thought I would do is I'm gonna donate this car to the track over at Speed Vegas. So if you guys are coming in from out of town, out of the country, so Australia, Europe, Canada, I know we get a lot of people in from there, America, wherever you're coming from, Brazil, Italy, we got a lot of people, a lot of guys from Italy that come in and gals that come. So look, we're gonna put this car out on the track so you can go for ride-alongs in it. We're on our way over there right now today. We just got done putting the Momo seat belts in this thing, so it's safe. We're gonna take it out on the track. We're gonna put it out there and see if these guys want to give some rides, or maybe if you got enough money you can drive it. We'll just see how that goes. But for right now it's going to be purely ride-alongs. If this works out, we're going to actually start taking a lot of the cars from our shop to Speed Vegas so people can go for rides in them. Anyway, we'll see you out there at the track. Okay guys, here we are today out here at Speed Vegas. It's a beautiful day, sunny, there's no wind. The track is gonna be fun. Now look, we brought the 57 Chevy out. We're gonna put it on the track. So a lot of our fans and people that wanna drive an old car, they can come out and make some laps on the track out here at Speed Vegas. It's a pretty good deal. If this works out, we're gonna bring some more rat rods out here so people can actually get on the track and go run around and have some fun. You know, it's a 57 Chevy that'll be out here, LS motor. You guys have seen it on TV for sure. It's got the turbocharged motor in it, LS3, 4L80 transmission in it, and C4 Corvette drivetrain. So it ought to handle pretty good on the track, but it'd be fun to come out and go on a ride along with this car and cruise it around the track and have fun. So right now, I'm gonna jump in it and I'm gonna go make some laps with this thing right now. So. Take the 57 Chevy out on the track. It's a pretty fun track. I've been out here a few times. Actually, I've run this car on this track quite a few times. It's a lot of fun. You get out here, you get to really feel what it feels like to be in a tight corner with some horsepower behind you. The way that this car feels and handles, it's amazing. I mean, it is an older technology C4 Corvette, but it actually feels pretty good. And most of the suspension on this car is stock. There's nothing on it that's completely out of control. So, you know, there's a lot of things that we could do to alter the suspension on it, but I want this car to be drivable, so when I want to go downtown and drive around, it's a lot of fun to drive. But out on the track, the steering's great, transmission shifts good, it goes through the gears right, it feels good. You know, with the turbocharger on it, it definitely, on the straightaways, it's a whole nother monster. So it's really cool. Okay, so you guys can obviously see what the 57 is all about. It's a ton of fun. It's just a good experience to come out and actually go around the track in the old car. You know, this car it's old, 60 years old. It's kind of fun to see go around the track with all these modern supercars. So if you want to do something a little different, come on down to Speed Vegas, jump in the 57 and let them take you for a couple laps in it. So right on. Thanks for checking it out, guys.